Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online presence for Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your online presence on Yelp, start by claiming your business listing. Visit the Yelp for Business page and search for your business. If your business appears, follow the prompts to claim it. Next, fill out all relevant information on your profile. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are accurate and consistent. Add a comprehensive description that highlights your services and unique selling points. Select the correct business categories to help customers find you. Upload high-quality photos that showcase your establishment and offerings. Including images of your products, ambience, and staff can boost engagement. Update your business hours to reflect current operations, including any special hours for holidays. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show you value customer feedback. Use Yelp's check-in offers to incentivize visits and reviews from customers. Make regular updates to your Yelp profile with any changes in service or promotions. Utilize the Yelp Ads program to increase visibility among potential customers. Analyze performance metrics provided by Yelp to understand how users interact with your listing. Adjust your strategies based on these insights to continually improve your presence. Consider integrating Yelp with your social media platforms to broaden your reach. Participate in community events and engage with local influencers to enhance your credibility. Maintain a consistent and professional online presence across all platforms to reinforce your brand. Staying active on Yelp and addressing customer needs will further establish your business in the local market. Be patient and persistent, as building a strong online presence takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.